A few days ago, I installed a wooden door and I have to install this kind of hinges. In this video, I will show you how to do it. I am Domingo Freire from Caracas, Venezuela, and I am so happy because if you are here, you are a carpentry addict. This kind of door hinges have three parts. This is the pin that joins these two pieces. I will attach this piece to the door and I will attach this piece to the frame. I recommend you to buy the WORKPRO router bit set for this price. My WORKPRO 15 router bit set has 5 bits with bearing and 10 without bearing. In this project I will use this one. To locate the upper and lower hinges of the door, we are going to mark 6 inches above and below the edge of the door. Remember that the pin that joins both parts of the hinge must be placed upwards. Obviously, the hinge in the middle will be placed in the middle of the door. Draw with the graphite pencil the outline of the hinges and the position of the screws. Once this is done, you must pre-drill with a bit that is a little thinner than the screw to make easier its entry into the wood. To make the hole to insert the hinge, I will use a half-inch diameter straight cut bit without bearing. I adjust the router to remove 2 or 3 millimeters of depth. Using the router allows me to have perfect depth control when removing material. Remember to do this work slowly to avoid sudden movements that take us out of the outline that we previously drew. You can use a chisel to sharpen the corners before attaching the hinges of the edge of the door. To hold the hinges, I used 1.5-inch long screws. You can drive the screws in with a manual screwdriver. But if you have a cordless screwdriver, you'll probably get this job done much faster. Verify that the axis pin of the hinges has been placed upwards and begins to fasten the door to the frame, starting by holding the upper hinge. I suggest using a wooden cleat to raise the door off the ground while you hold the door to the frame. Once you fasten the first screw to the door frame, you can remove the cleat you raised the door with. Check the location of the hinges in relation to the frame and insert all the screws. To finish this job, check the position of the closing stop on the frame and check the proper functioning of the door when opening and closing. Thank you a lot for watching this video. I love if you give me a super thanks. Remember to click on like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am Domingo Freire from Caracas, Venezuela, and I will see you in my next video.